Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hello, my name is Mpho Mangkanye. I am the founder of Avelina, digital printing and supplies. My business was started last year, 15 November. I remember because I lost my job due to my mental disability, and then I only had 60 rand that time. That's when I actually decided to start. That's when it started as an internet cafe, and then where I would help people get jobs and everything, and then the supply came in place because of I needed something that will actually keep the money flow. Because of internet cafe, it's fluctuating. Not every season or every month everything is fine. So that's when I decided, let me just do my own products, especially the cleaning ones, because of the challenges that I would face is when you supply other cleaning products, when the customer has a complaint or anything, it's not like you can go and change it. So I discovered that at least when I produce my own products, if there's anything that I need to add on, adjust, improve, and all that. So this one is like a pine gel. It smells really good. And this is our bubble bath. And it's our Vaseline. It does not have any smell, which is good for people that have sinuses. People can get hold of me. My office is based in Fosloras Extension 31. My cell phone number is 081 360 1097. My name is Mpho and I am a township entrepreneur.